Welcome, welcome, one and all, to the Baking Bonanza. Today we have 4 fantastic bakers ready to show off their skills. Let's give it up for our teams. First up, this is how we roll, Riley and Sammy. And team batter up, Gabrielle and Macy. Alright bakers, your challenge is to make the tastiest cupcakes in town. But remember, this is a competition. The best team will need to make responsible choices too. On your mark, get, set, bake.
I think we need maybe 3 of these.
Okay.
How about 2 eggs?
Here, I brought my family's favorite recipe. We should measure out everything carefully to make sure our cupcakes turn out just right.
Good idea, Gabrielle. I can't imagine how they're going to make good cupcakes as careless as they are.
Ooh, can I mix? It looks pretty good.
Okay, the eggs are wet, so put them in this bowl. The flour needs to be measured. Here, put the eggs in this bowl. The recipe says we need 2.
Wow, we've made such a mess already.
I know, but it's kind of fun. Besides, what could it hurt? Let's go wild.
Oh my, flour power. But remember bakers, responsible decisions keep our kitchen clean and tidy. Precision is the name of the game.
Oh yes.
Here, you keep stirring. I'm gonna clean up the egg.
Okay. Like killing the egg.
There you go.
Do you want to give it a try?
That is looking really good.
Wild! Boom! Ow!
Let's work together and stay focused. Thanks for cleaning as we go.
Of course, Gabrielle. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh well.
Oops, my bad.
Oh my gosh, Riley, that was hilarious.
Uh-oh, that looks like a little slip up from Riley there. I don't know how they're going to recover from that careless mistake. 10 seconds, bakers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Bakers, it's time for the moment of truth. Please bring me your cupcakes. I'm not eating that. I've made my decision, and it was a very easy one, I might add. There's one team that not only baked delicious treats, but also showed responsible decision making throughout the competition. And the winners are Gabrielle and Macy. Remember, folks, responsible decision making is the icing on the cupcake of life. See you next time on the Baking Bonanza.
Okay, that was a good one. Stop. Okay, stop.
Do I need to actually crack an egg?
Yep.
Oh, you pee.
Why did you take such a big bite?
We're the winners though. Hey, we're the winners. No one else.
Why do you eat it like that?